and you'll forever be important to me, my miracle fire.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, mayroon tayong gagawin yung reaction video sa dito kay tatay na kumakanta sa kanilang bahay. At ang kanyang cover song is Count on You. So bagay na bagay po sa kanyang kanta na to dahil siyempre may kaedad na rin ang ganyang kanta na yan, Count on You. So sobrang tagal na. At Tommy Show. So parang halintulad din niya yung boses na to. So pakinggan natin guys yung kanyang cover song. Siyempre tulad naman siyang ginagawa, kakanta na tayo. So yun guys, ang bago pa po kayo sa aking YouTube channel, huwag niyo kalimutan i-subscribe para ma-update po kayo sa mga ganitong ginagawang reaction video. At may kalat pa ni YouTube yung ating ginagawang video guys, no? Pa-like na lang din. So, here we go!
Kunin mo na sa iyo. When I think like the words get and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are.
Oy!
I cry
Galing ha?
these tears
Ayos, ayos!
on the road. We've been so far. We're torn at the moon, and we counted a million stars. My love still good. Friends have came and gone. Some have left me alone, but I stand these walls before. Indeed, me go. All in my heart I know there's one thing in my life that still is true. I can't count on you, count you to be there. No questions in, no asking why or where, no looking back. Count you every time. Two is my word line, and you'll forever be important to me, my miracle fire. If I had to choose one place to steal the rest of my days, anywhere will do. Look as it's close to you.
Parang gustong kumanta ng bata ah.
No asking one moment, no looking back. Count on you every time to raise my warning line. You'll forever be important to me, my American fight. Now,
Galing.
oh now, I've traveled so far, yet I'm right back where you are. Just be in you.
Count on you.
Now and forevermore. As the years go by, I'm beginning to say that I can count on you.
Galing. Ayan. So guys, hanggang doon lang yung reaction ang ating video kay Kuya. Ang galing, ano? Parang gusto nung anak ba niya yun or apo. Parang gusto nung bata na kumanta. Kumanta at gayahin yung kanyang tatay. Ang galing, ano? Sa mga ganyang song na to, mahilig sa mga ganyang edad si tatay ng ganyang mga kanta. So, ano yung mga paborito niya, kinakanta niya siguro yan. At nakitaan ko na maganda rin yung boses niya, no? At marami pa tong alam na kanta. So yun guys, nakita ko lang din tong kanyang cover song, kaya ginawa ko ng reaction video. Ayan, so maraming salamat sa mga nanood at hanggang doon lang yung ating reaction. Mag-comment lang kayo dyan kung ano yung gusto niyo i-comment kay tatay. At maraming salamat sa suporta. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe.